Hey everybody, Twin State Technical Services here. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft SharePoint 365 and where it might be most helpful for you and your organization. So Microsoft SharePoint has been around for a long time, but with the introduction of Microsoft 365, it's taken it to new levels. And here's where I think you'll notice the biggest help in your day-to-day. Number one, Microsoft 365 now integrates into just about everything that you can imagine in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So if you're using Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Office, OneNote, Power Automate, or any of the other tools like Microsoft Planner, now it integrates into Microsoft SharePoint Online. So why would you use Microsoft SharePoint Online? Because it's online, right? So now we can access our SharePoint files from anywhere securely. So if you think back to the days where we had a file map drive for file storage, like the N drive, the T drive, the S drive, now think about it being on SharePoint. If you're working on a Word file, now your coworkers can collaborate with you in that same Word file at the same time. And that goes the same for Excel, PowerPoint, or any of the other Microsoft 365 products. The other thing that Microsoft 365 SharePoint is going to give you is it's going to give you the ability to manage permissions. So security is super important in the cloud environment. Other really neat things about SharePoint is version control. So as I mentioned, you can collaborate on a document, but also if you have someone accidentally change a document, you can always jump back to a previous version and see who had modified it last. And the new templates that are available make it easy for you to create a replicatable template for a Microsoft SharePoint page. So an example of that would be is when we are working with a customer on a project, we'll have a project page set up and we'll have it set up using the same template for every new project. That makes our job really easy to fire up a new project. It gives a great experience to the client who's accessing it remotely and also has permissions only to their particular project, but it also gives them all that valuable information and we never forget because we have it all there in an easy to use template. So the last thing that I'll mention about Microsoft SharePoint is going to be that it is still a content management or an intranet type of solution, meaning it's like a website for inside of the company. And you can do some really fun things by introducing some automation into SharePoint. HR is a great department to start with when using SharePoint because it's a collection or a repository of a lot of information, but may change often. Microsoft SharePoint may sound complex because it really is a mile deep in all the features, but there is no coding required. So if you're not a software developer, you can get really far and get a lot accomplished with Microsoft SharePoint without having to do any type of coding. If you are looking to have some help, some feedback, or just bounce an idea about your small or large project, give us a call here at Twin State Technical Services or find us at tsts.com.